In this video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of word stems and how they can be transformed into a rich array of adjectives. The stem form has many different meanings, but it is generally associated with the idea of shape, structure, or appearance. From this stem, we can derive a variety of adjectives that describe different aspects of form. Adjective 1, aculiform. Meaning, needle-shaped. Example, the aculiform leaves of the cactus plant are a good defense against predators. Adjective 2, antiform. Meaning, saddle-shaped, a geological term referring to rock formations that have been folded or bent into an arch-like shape. Example, the antiform roof of the train station is a unique architectural feature. The antiform structure of the mountain range resulted from millions of years of tectonic activity. Adjective 3, archiform. Meaning, arch-shaped. Example, the archiform bridge spans the river gracefully. The archiform entrance to the ancient temple was an impressive architectural feature. Adjective 4, biform. Meaning, having two forms or shapes. Example, the biform god Janus is represented with two faces, one looking forward and one looking back. Some insects exhibit a biform life cycle, with distinct larval and adult forms. Adjective 5, canoniform. Meaning, canon-shaped or conforming to a canon or established rule or law. Example, the canoniform rocks along the coast were formed by centuries of erosion. The legal document was written in a canoniform style to ensure its validity. Adjective 6, cardioform. Meaning, heart-shaped. Example, the cardioform leaves of the clover plant are a symbol of good luck. The clouds in the sky formed a cardioform pattern, resembling a giant heart. Adjective 7, coliform. Meaning, hill-shaped. Example, the coliform bacteria found in contaminated water can cause serious illness. The coliform landscape provided a scenic backdrop for the village. These are just a few of the many adjectives that can be derived from the stem form. These adjectives can be used to describe a wide variety of things, from the natural world to the products of human creation. Challenge yourself to use these adjectives in your everyday conversations, writing, or creative projects. What other adjectives derived from the stem form can you think of? Share your favorite stem-derived adjectives in the comments below, and let's build a community of word enthusiasts. If you're enjoying what you see and find this video helpful or entertaining, please consider giving it a thumbs up by clicking the like button below. Don't hesitate to hit the share button. Sharing is caring, after all.